teruslah berdoa meski air mata tak terlihat. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yaitu apa? Pembinaan akhlakul karimah.
Sumpah, iya ya Allah, bahwasanya Engkau adalah Rabb kami. Kita sedang ditatap oleh Allah.
Don't think about it, just move your body. Listen to the music, sing oh eh oh. Just move those left feet, go ahead get crazy. Anyone can do it, sing oh eh oh. Show the world you got that fire. Feel the rhythm getting louder. Show the room what you can do, prove to them you got the moves. I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing, yeah, yeah. Better when I'm dancing, yeah, yeah. And we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you're dancing.
Hai guys, olahraga pagi
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bismillah. Alhamdulillah.